beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino. Maybe I should come up with my own jingle. You know how places have their jingles. I'm Brittany, and this is Domino, my tiny home on wheels, 4-door short bus, beep beep. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from inside of my Mini Cooper, and a car just pulled in right in front of me as I'm filming. So this is just so awkward. Alrighty, so for the first part of this video, I have some adulting to do, which is strictly LLC related. Let me show you what I brought with me today. It is backwards. I'm using my front-facing camera, so it is reading backwards. What it is, Where's Brittany LLC? And right now, I'm outside of the UPS store because I'm about to set up my business mailing address, so that's nice. So I have that on the schedule today. UPS to set up a business address for Where is Brittany, and also I want to shop around for a business checking account. So I do have an appointment as well scheduled for 10:30 today at US Bank to talk to them about possibly getting a checking account for Where is Brittany LLC. And then after that, my friends, we're going to pick up Domino. It's time to go in. Alright friends, it's official. I have a business address now. Easy. Well, it was pretty pricey. I will say that. Like, I just did not know it was going to cost that much to have a mailbox, a business mailbox, I guess. I went with the option for a year because she said that was kind of like the best deal. You get a discount. If you do a year, you get 2 months free. And it was over $400. I actually need to go back in because she forgot to give me a receipt. So let me go do that. I still have about 30 minutes or so until my bank appointment. So I'm just going to go ahead and head over there. And it would be nice if they could just go ahead and squeeze me in sooner. So we'll just see. So I'm going to get on the road and I'll catch you guys at the bank. Alrighty friends, I am back and I officially have a checking account for I don't even know what words were about to be combined, but I officially have a checking account for Where is Brittany LLC. So that is like really good because now I can have my YouTube revenue deposited into that particular account and not like always transferring money between different accounts and all this stuff. Is just nice to be able to have everything separate and just have like Brittany change over here and then Where's Brittany change over here. So that is good. I'm excited. I did some serious adulting this morning, so all the work is out of the way. I now have a mailing address for Where is Brittany LLC, and I officially have a bank account for Where is Brittany LLC. And yeah, like I'm happy. Like I really am happy. I was talking to the lady in there and her name is Brittany, spelled 2 T's N-E-Y. I won't hold the N-E-Y against her, but she is 2 T's, and so I'm okay with that. But as I was talking to her and she was giving me my paperwork to, you know, basically send me on my way, like I had to hold in emotions and stuff because it's for my friends, for you all who've watched like my story with my gambling addiction and, you know, all that stuff. It's just crazy to be able to now be, you know, walk into a bank and say like, hey, I, you know, got me a business and now I would like to open up a checking account for this said business. And the process, I was able to actually do it. You know, like, it's just crazy how much has changed and how much I've changed in the circumstances and everything, from being like a hardcore gambling addict to where I'm at today. She even was like, oh, would you like to open up a credit card, you know, because you can. No, we don't need to go that route just yet. You know, I'm not trying to go down that route just yet, because the business is still so new, and I'll just use cash on hand. But yeah, it's just, I got emotional and I had to like hold back tears. She was happy for me, and you know, I just had to hold back tears because, you know, a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I would have never seen myself in this position. And I'm just so grateful and just so happy, and you know, it's just good. And now, you know, I'm gonna complete this day by going to pick up Domino. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and head home. I want to drop off all this stuff and go pick up Andrew, and then we can go pick up Domino. Ooh! Friends, do you see this? I have not gotten my keys just yet. Andrew just dropped me off. But we are here, my friends. We are here to pick up Domino. So let's go. Alrighty, my friends, they're in a meeting right now. They already gave me the keys to Dom. I haven't closed out the tab, so I still have to go back in after the meeting is done, but we can go ahead and sit inside Dom. I don't want to start her up just yet. I don't want them people to think I'm about to just run off, but yeah, I just want to sit inside and just, she's alive, guys, and she's freaking back. Messy home sweet home. Oh, we're back, friends. It smells like mechanic up in here. Like, it's very oily, mechanical, like manual labor. That's literally what it smells like now. So I have some essential oil. I'm gonna get kicked off once we get back home in Domino. Have the windows open, just let it circulate all nice in here. And tomorrow I'll probably clean and smudge out Domino. You know, I was talking to Andrew about it, and he's like, oh, you want to get rid of the presence of the people who basically brought Domino back to life. And no, that's not necessarily the case. Like, I don't want to erase their presence, LT Automotive, but because of so much took place from, you know, the incident, like all the negative, bad juju and stuff, I want it out. Domino has a new engine. She's at probably under 50 miles. I haven't cranked it up just yet, but this is a fresh new start. And so tomorrow I'll come in, take some more things out to like clean it up pretty good, bring in my Swiffer, you know, all that, and just give her another just cute little clean, and then smudge this piece. Yeah, but we got her back, friends. Oh, we got her back. So I'm gonna let you guys go for a second. I'm gonna wait until LT Automotive give me a call. I told them to just give me a call once their meeting over, and I'll just walk back inside. And I'm gonna catch you guys back once I make the final payment, and then once I'm inside of Dom, I want you guys to experience her cranking up for the first time with me. So I'll see y'all shortly. Okay, my friends, I'm like all cheesing and everything. Okay, so the bill has been settled and now I'm about to crank Domino up for the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna just leave the camera over here and let you guys hear this baby purr. Ah! Friends, sorry about the lighting. It is a little funky. I'm obviously sitting in the driver's seat, but I just got finished with my first initial drive in Dom, and she cranked up beautifully. Just driving, like I went, you know, my normal 65 miles per hour, and I put her on cruise control, but taking the same route that I always take in this new Dom, the feel is completely different. Like going up in Reno, they have like so many different like hills and stuff, and you used to be able to feel the bus like accelerate. Like you would feel like, you know, she would have like this hum about her when she's about to, you know, pick up speed or try and get, you know, up a hill or a mountain and stuff like that. But baby, Domino was gliding, okay? Like it was no you know, nothing. She sounds so much quieter. We got a new like exhaust system on her and a new muffler and stuff like that, so that's cool. Like she that's super cute, because her old one was kind of like cracked and rusted looking, but this one's all nice and cute. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, so she sounds different, she drives different, she feels different, she still smells different, but you know, I'll fix that later tonight. But I'm just so happy with the work that LT Automotive did, and I am so appreciative of everybody there. Thank you so much. So this right here is just strictly for LT Automotive. I want to thank you guys so much for answering my phone calls, like, you know, answering all my questions, my weird questions. They have been so great. And again, it's LT Automotive. They're here in Reno, Nevada, and I'm just so appreciative for them. So thank y'all. But yeah, so I'm not at home. I'm actually at the grocery store because I need to pick up some groceries. Just do a light little run, and then next, I think this weekend, I am gonna take Domino out, but I'm not going far because they need to do an oil change at 500 miles. So I'm gonna take a short trip, probably leave out on Friday. Today is Tuesday. I think today's Tuesday. Y'all know I'm so bad at this. Monday. Today's the 21st. So whatever the 21st is, that's what today is. So yeah, we're gonna go out on Friday. I'm gonna spend tomorrow getting her smelling nice, Swiffer the floor. It's a lot of, you know, footprints and stuff in here, some oil and stuff, so no biggie. I'm gonna, you know, clean that up good, get her smelling like my home again, and then we're gonna go on a short trip this weekend. I'm so excited. So yes, my friends, I've been talking for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'm gonna get some groceries from this cool place called Grocery Outlet. They always have good deals. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I have to remember to go out and do that muffler thing, but that's a note to myself. But yes, thank you all so much for supporting me in my little, you know, world of sunshine, unicorns, and rainbows here in Domino. I will catch you guys on the next adventure. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if that's something you like. And I will catch you guys on the next adventure, and I will be coming from inside of my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Domino. Maybe I should come up with my own jingle. You know how places have their jingles. I'm Brittany, and this is Domino, my tiny home on wheels, 4-door short bus, beep beep. Bye friends.